Hello everyone, welcome to my first Tech Talk episode. Today I'm going to talk about two things which are Samsung and AMD tie-up and Samsung's new Exynos 992 processor for their upcoming Note 20 series. So let's start with the video. Myself Hisham Fazli and you're watching Mr. Technical Boss. Before starting this video, don't forget the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. So let's start with the video.
Mr. Technical Boss.
AMD's upcoming mobile graphic chipset reportedly outperforms the Qualcomm Adreno 650 by a significant margin on GFX Bench. According to a post on Korean Tech Forum, the yet-to-be-named chipset defeats the Qualcomm GPU by a factor of 3 in some tests. We can expect to see Samsung unveil this new GPU by 2021. Samsung's in-house Exynos chipset have been at the receiving end of lot of criticism, primarily due to their dull performance compared to equal-powered Qualcomm offerings. The company's SoC division is in bad situation and is even considering a refresh for its Exynos 990, although nothing meaningful has came out of Samsung's partnership with the AMD that is set to change in next year. And it must be the shot in the arm. Samsung needs to get back in the game. A poster on South Korean Tech Forum claims states that Samsung and AMD's in-house Radeon-based GPU crushed Qualcomm's Adreno 650 in a GFX Bench test. It scored 181.8 FPS on the Manhattan 3.1 test, 138.25 FPS on Aztec Normal, and 58 FPS on Aztec High. The numbers are significantly higher than the Adreno 650's 123, 53.5 and 20 FPS respectively on the same test. If these numbers are accurate, then Samsung's upcoming line of Exynos chipset can potentially outperform Qualcomm's subsequent flagships. However, it will be quite some time before we see the mobile AMD Radeon chip in action. The post further adds that there are some pressing issues with the chip's power consumption and that it will take both companies a while to iron out all the bends. We are looking at a 2021 debut at the earliest, assuming alongside the Galaxy S21 series. So now let's talk about the new processor for upcoming Samsung Note 20 and rumors of Exynos 992. Exynos 990 used on the global Galaxy S20 phones has come under fire for poor performance and efficiency, and it seems that Samsung plans to ditch it. The South Korean company is reportedly working on a 6nm Exynos 992 for its next flagship phone, that is Galaxy Note 20. With the Galaxy S20 series all done, Samsung is now setting its sights towards the launch of its next flagship phone, the Galaxy Note 20. A few leaks have already given some information on the Note 20, but yet another rumor has surfaced relating to the upcoming premium device. According to a report by ZDNet Korea, Samsung is working on an Exynos 992 that will debut on the Galaxy Note 20. The Exynos 992 is expected to be built on Samsung's new 6nm manufacturing node, an upgrade on the 7nm EUV process the Exynos 990 was built on. An Exynos 992 on the Galaxy Note 20 wouldn't be at all surprising, as Samsung has shown its willingness to develop improved SoC for the Galaxy Note series. The Galaxy Note 10 phones, for example, featured a 7nm Exynos 9825 over the 8nm Exynos 9820 on the Galaxy S10 series. The Exynos 992 will likely be an attempt to right the wrongs of the Exynos 990, an SoC that has received plenty of criticism for not being on par with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865. A more efficient manufacturing process should allow the Exynos 992 to perhaps offer sustained performance and efficiency over the Exynos 990. Rumors from months ago also claimed Samsung had ended the production of its custom Mongoose cores, so it will be interesting to see if the Exynos 992 does beats the M5 cores in favor of ARM's standard offering. So that's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Myself Hisham Fazil and you're watching Mr. Technical Boss.